Welcome to another episode of Gardening with God, and today we're talking about gnats. You know those pesky little flies that almost too small to see until they're starting to get in your face or up your nose? Well, they come from your plant soil, your houseplant soil. They're outside as well, but you don't notice them out there. Now what they do is eat on the roots and the decomposing parts in the soil, and they're easily gotten rid of if you know what to do. And I wanted to speak about other gnats in Matthew 23 verses 23 to 24. Jesus is speaking to the scribes, Pharisees, hypocrites about the gnats and camels. And he said to them that you harp on and on about theology and sins, and that's important about that kind of talk, but you forget the more weighty things, as in a camel. So the weight of a camel, much greater, of course, than a gnat. And Jesus says that their compassion and mercy is lacking. Like others who guide people blindly, they strain out the gnats and they swallow the camels. Well, that was a little bit confusing for me, perhaps for you too. But really they criticize or went on about things that were minor issues, and ignored the things which were of mercy, forgiveness, faith, and justice. They weren't showing that, but they were very mindful that they followed the rules, but their hearts were far away from God. And so the gnatty issues of our lives, smaller issues that we worry about or concern ourselves about, we should let go of that. And I just pray that you and all of us, myself included for sure, with God's help, would set our focus on Christ, who is our example of what the big picture should look like, what we should be focusing on as he did: mercy, justice, compassion, and forgiveness, and not the gnatty little gossipy issues which hurt and do no good. God bless you all. Bye for now.